Happy birthday to you. Ang haba. Mabuhay kabayan! And happy birthday to me! So yun na nga, samahan niyo ako on how I spent my birthday. So this year nga, I decided to jumpstart my day by going live. So I went live this morning to have a little chat with my followers and friends. Wow, followers and friends! Ewan ko ba, nahihiya pa rin ako when I say followers. Pero seryoso, I wanna thank you all. Thank you so much mga kabayan ko kasi you have been so good to me. I see you and I appreciate each and every one of you. So after ko mag-pork binagoongan for lunchtime, I went straight to AMC para manood ng movie. And since nga I don't have friends here, yes, ako lang mag-isa. Sanay naman na ako. Okay lang? Oo, okay lang. Wow! So after the movie, sinundo ko si mami sa work kasi she wanted to go with me sa church. Kasi of course naman, I don't wanna end this day nang hindi ako nakaka-visit sa church. So this is Holy Face Monastery dito sa New Jersey. O church na to, serious muna tayo. Alam nyo, honestly, in the last few years, I always say na hindi na nakakagana mag-celebrate ng birthday. Maybe sa age, or maybe because I don't have friends here. Honestly, I don't know. Pero grabe yung mysteries of life, no? Kasi parang sabi ng universe, walang gana ha? O sige, ito, ipapafeel natin sa'yo ang gana ulit. Boosh! Kaya alam nyo, ever since my 2-car accidents, everything really changed. That's the time na in-embrace ko ang true value of life. So don't you ever take it for granted. And of course, I chose to go here kasi dito may Nazareno. Yes! As a serious motivational speaker! Oh my goodness! Pero seryoso sana may nakuha kayong a thing or two. A thing or two? Seryoso yon. Ang alin ba kasi? Na don't wait for something tragic to happen before you embrace life. Yun lang! Okay, thank you. Bye!